Hey guys, I just got my order in from LASNV bags and I'm so excited to open these. If you're not familiar with them, they have so many unique styles, and if you are an edgy lover or a boho lover for how you dress, this is the site for you. So let's take a look at what I got. First off, this one, oh my goodness, my power color. I am so excited. This is a corduroy bag. Look at this. It is a crossbody / tote. Has the strap built in. Oh my goodness, I could fit so much in this. Here it is stretched open, and oh, so cute. Very bright color. Look at this corduroy detail. I could fit so much in it. Has a magnet closure, or alternatively, if I wanted to wear it, hold it just as a handbag. Totally works. Okay, and then I also got this one, which I'm so excited for. This beautiful avocado retro green color. Look at this. So cute. If you ever saw the Lizzo video on the red carpet where she has this tiny little purse, I love this little handbag. Also has a crossbody strap, so you can wear it like a crossbody. Okay, I think it just adds the perfect pop of color if I'm wearing black. Love this. I can put just my lip balm, some makeup, my hand sanitizer, any quick little thing I want at my side. I just love how cute and dainty it is. I would style it, actually. I would style this with my black boots. Look at these, same color, matches perfectly, adds pop of color to my outfit. I am obsessed. Check them out. LASNV bags. Absolutely love. Use my code for their discount.